Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup and my hair because I know a lot of you have been asking me about how I do my makeup and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys my method of doing my madness pretty much because I have no technique. But I'm starting off by doing my eyebrows, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony. And I just kind of shape my eyebrows because I have very thin eyebrows. So I just kind of shape it where I feel like it should be shaped. And I fill it in and blend with my spoolie brush. And then I go ahead and add some concealer. So I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is the color Toffee. And I just go ahead and line the shape that I gave the eyebrow just to give it kind of a bit of a highlight. And then I go ahead with a flat brush and do the same up top to make that shape look a bit cleaner. And then with a blending brush, I go ahead and just blend that out because that is how I get the smoothest look. A lot of times I can do this without having to do a full face because the blending brush really blends out everything to make it look really natural. So to prime my face, I'm using the Bare Minerals Prime Time Foundation Primer. And this is just a little sample that my mom gave me, and I never really took the time out to go buy the full bottle, but I need to go ahead and do that. Then I follow up with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the color 335 Coconut. And with my beauty blender, I go ahead and just start blending all of that in. So my foundation is a tad bit darker than my skin tone because I live in Miami and the weather here fluctuates all the time. So sometimes I'm dark, sometimes I'm light. So I kind of get a foundation that's a bit in between what my skin tone is usually like. And here I'm just letting you guys know that my camera died while I was trying to apply my concealer to highlight my face. But I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey to highlight my face. And I follow up with some Air Spun. And I go ahead and set the concealer with that. With a brush, I just go ahead and pat in the concealer. I don't really let it bake, especially because a lot of times when I'm doing my makeup, I'm just on the go and in a rush half the time. So I just pat that in, set that in so that it looks really nice. Then with my ColourPop concealer, I just go ahead and start contouring my face. And this is the color Rich 75. I do apologize that none of my products are of the same brand, but I just work with what works best for my face. So I don't really use one specific brand for my entire face. I kind of just use anything that will make my face look good. And as you can see in the video, I'm taking a brush and I'm just blending that out because sometimes with liquid concealers, it's kind of hard to blend it out. So I use a brush. And then with the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, I go ahead and set in that concealer and that contour. And then I take that highlight that it has, which is the best highlight that I have ever used for my face. It's the most natural looking highlight ever. I just go ahead and apply some of that on my cheekbones, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my nose and forehead. Now with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, I just go ahead and set my face. And then I fan myself a little bit because, you know. Then I start doing my eyeliner. And this is the e.l.f. eyeliner because it costs like $2 and it works bomb. So I bought it. And if you notice, I do my eyeliner and my mascara after I've already set my face to avoid any makeup running or any smudges. Then I apply some chapstick. And I line my lips with the ColourPop lip liner. I don't remember this color, but it's the brown one. And then I take some lip gloss, anyone that's within my reach. And that's pretty much it for my makeup. So moving along to my hair, this madness, this is probably like a day 4 or 5 wash and go that I'm sick and tired of. I'm going to be doing 2 cute little puffs. And this is actually my first time doing this. I realized that my hair is long enough to do it now. So we're just gonna go ahead and part our hair right down the middle. A lot of other YouTubers part their hair so nicely and so quickly. And I'm like, what the heck, how? Right? It takes me forever. Anyways, I'm taking some water and I'm only misting the perimeter of my hair. I don't want it to be drenched. And then I take the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner and spray that all over my hair for moisture. I take some Eco Styler gel, place it all around my hair, and I start brushing that baby and I tie it up. Now that I have both my puffs, I just take a pick and I start picking it out and fluffing it out and all that good stuff. And with my toothbrush and Eco Styler gel, I go ahead and fleek them baby hairs because oh my gosh. And then look guys, it looks so cute. Like I was really excited and happy that my hair came out so freaking cute and it was so fast to do. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.